fascinating?
What's that?
You have not been on the show all week.
I haven't. Look at me. I am not
and
here.
Here you are. And the funny thing is, I have worn the same outfit every day this week.
I was just going to say the same thing. I've worn this for the last week, and folks are emailing us and wanting to know, hey, what's up with this?
It's just so funny. It's our morning show recap.
Yeah.
And in order to win your Toy Story 3 tickets, we've been talking about the Toy Story characters. Not the typical ones like Woody and Buzz Lightyear.
Too easy.
We're talking about the other ones, the unknown characters. We're trying to put them in the limelight, for heaven's sakes.
Because they'll never be in any other production ever again.
And I don't remember their names. That's why I've got to cheat right now. Okay. So here is our animal today.
Oh.
Now, we hired children to do this artwork.
That's really nice.
And this is what we came up with.
Okay.
It's a unicorn.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Do you remember the name of the unicorn in Toy Story 3?
I'll go one step further. I don't even remember there being a unicorn in Toy Story 3. I have no idea.
Oh, my
Is it really?
You know, when the kids put the movie on, you really should pay attention.
I should.
I bet the kids know.
Okay.
Is it Buttercup?
Is it?
Buttercup?
I have no idea.
I don't know. Let me just double check.
See, you don't even
yes,
know.
it's Buttercup.
Buttercup the unicorn.
That is your answer for your tickets tomorrow morning about 7:10. Toy Story 3. Come to Reliant Arena April 13th through the 17th.
Okay.
Buttercup the unicorn. Good luck.
Mm-hmm.
We'll see you then.